NOAA's GHOST-T satellite launched into space from Kennedy Space Center in Florida yesterday afternoon. It currently sits at 22,236 miles above the Earth's surface, joining the GHOST 16 and 17 satellites in orbit. However, we will not see satellite imagery return from GHOST-T until May, with the satellite becoming fully functional as GHOST 18 by next summer. One of the most pertinent steps in weather forecasting is looking upstream. Is there a line of thunderstorms approaching? What storm systems impact the area in the coming days? These are all questions answered by looking at real-time data such as satellite imagery. Unfortunately, when forecasting a day or two out, storm systems that will impact Montana are often still over the wide open Pacific Ocean, with little or no real-time data for meteorologists to observe. The GHOST 18 satellite will help in filling some of the gaps over the open ocean, further improving our forecast abilities. Now, the satellite also contains a geostationary lightning mapper, the first of its kind brought into space, which will assist in identifying severe thunderstorms, cloud-to-ground lightning strikes, and potentially even locating new fire starts. A welcomed improvement, as most fires are currently identified by civilians or National Weather Service employees. This gives fire officials and meteorologists a jump start in alerting residents and potentially saving lives and property. Data from GHOST 18 will help weather forecasters in tracking atmospheric moisture, leading to more precise fire weather forecasts and improved accuracy during atmospheric river events, like the one we're seeing impacting the northwestern United States currently. A few other areas where you'll likely see some improvements thanks to GHOST 18: wildfire smoke detection and tracking, volcanic eruption identification, and tropical storm and hurricane tracking. Now, once information from GHOST 18 is available, it will replace the current GHOST 17 in keeping track of the Western Hemisphere. Meteorologist Eric Johnson reporting for MTN News.